Hey, what's up? Back again.
That first bass note hit me in the chest, and I was just like, there's no way that's 2.8.
MBE Enclosures has his own YouTube channel, and this guy is an animal when it comes to designing boxes.
Okay, this is your boy MB here, man, doing another video on this beautiful Ford truck. What year is this? 23 Raptor. Y'all know what to do. This is 23 Raptor with a 3.5 inch LMI welding seat lift. LMI welding seat lift. For 2J audio, 10 W6s. This is the Fitment. I want you to see how high it is when you put the 3.5 inch seat lift in. This is what you're gonna get. All right. He doesn't care because he don't ride nothing back here but his Bulldog. But this is the Fitment of the MBE enclosure. All my boxes fit like this, but I just want to show you this because this one is 12 inches high in the front and 9 in the back. Get it if you need an enclosure, 404-694-4818. And as always, please listen responsibly.